guys, today I'm going to show you how to fold just this is not any tutorial or origami tutorial. This is my video vlog and my birthday is coming up on 5 August, but we celebrated and I didn't make the video. Before I am 6 years old, now I am 7 years old, and the special gift for me is 3, 2, 1, go. This, the Xiaomi Band 6. See right here 6 and Mi Smart Band 6. And this is the band, and this is the Xiaomi sign. If you are interested of this video, so please subscribe and click the bell. So now I'm going to show you open it. So open. Wow. Okay, this is the band, and this is the charger of the band. Have to put it on that side. It's not coming. Oh, this is the charger of the band, but I'm not gonna open. Okay, now this is the book of my band. See this. Now look. Oh. Here, these are the pages. I'm gonna put this inside, and I am also going to put this inside in the box. And I am going to put this inside and close it back, and I'm put it on side, and now I'm going to show it opens. I am going to do like this. This is status and PAI. This is the blood pressure, and this is the sleep or notification workout, like this. And click here, and these are more. And this is the workout. It's the stress, breathing, events, alarm, weather, music, and this is setting and more. Now I'm going to, and now I will show you. This is the music, but you have to download the app, and we tried but doesn't work. And this is, you are living in the Malikant, and that's the finish. Hope you guys enjoy this. And see you guys next time. Bye bye. Oh, also subscribe and click the bell for notification.